In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the location country in Udemy in just a few minutes. Whether you're moving to a new country or need to update your billing information for other reasons, knowing how to change these details can be crucial. Let's walk through the process together so that you can get it done quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Udemy website, which you can find at www.udemy.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, as this will ensure the process goes smoothly. Once you're on the Udemy homepage, look for the Login button. It's usually situated at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that button and you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Enter your email and password, then proceed to sign into your account. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the top menu and find the section labeled My Learning. Click on it to access a list of all the courses you're currently enrolled in. This is your main hub for all your learning activities on Udemy. With the My Learning page open, go ahead and select any course from your list. Don't worry, you won't need to start or complete the course as part of this process. This step simply helps you move to the next part of the account management functions. After selecting a course, look for the Buy Now button. It sounds like you're going to make a purchase, but don't let that alarm you. Clicking this button is necessary to access the payment information settings, where you can make the desired changes. Now, the Buy Now prompt will lead you to a payment detail page. Here, you'll find an option to update your billing address. This is where you can enter the new country you want your account associated with. Carefully fill in the new details, ensuring that all required information is accurate. Double-check for any typos or errors to avoid future complications with course purchases or account verifications. Once you've entered the new country and updated your billing address, save the changes. This will ensure that your account now reflects your current location accurately. If you encounter any issues during this process, Udemy's customer support can offer additional guidance. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the location country in your Udemy account. This quick process can help make sure your account settings and billing information are always current and correct, giving you peace of mind for any future transactions. Thanks for watching, and good luck with all your learning endeavors on Udemy.